We always think that why programming is needed for a civil engineer. We also had one subject of computers in our bachelor's degree course, you remember? We spent hours in AC computer labs and struggled to write a C++ or maybe C++ programming for identifying the prime numbers. Why on earth we need to find out a prime number being a civil engineer? Where is it needed? But the answer was, it was to develop our logical thinking. But why we need to develop a logical thinking? We never asked these questions to ourselves and hence got no answer. We just passed the examination. Do you know him? Amrit Das, the founder of OpenSTAAD, an Indian structural engineer from Kolkata. He understood the need of solving the stiffness equations for big structures to get the deflections and hence the internal forces. He thought of taking the help of computers to solve the big stiffness matrices. And see how he made our lives easy. Now we have OpenSTAAD, which can analyze and design our structures with a click of a button. However, we spent a lot of hours in creating geometry, applying loadings, extracting the results, assigning the design parameters, getting the design results, optimizing the structure, and so on. Why can't we think of creating a geometry with a click of a button? Why can't we think of applying loading within few minutes? Why we spent hours and hours assigning parameters? I know you can do it faster than others, but I don't want you to run miles in the space. In fact, I want you to create your own wormholes to reach the goals directly. Programming will not make you a coding expert. It will not turn you into a software engineer. You are a civil engineer and you will be the same all the times. But it will help you to develop an innovative thinking. And it will be more interesting if it is explained with the help of civil engineering examples. Start thinking of saving even a single minute with automation. And no need to buy a special tool or special platform to do it. What you need is only your daily work partner, and that is Excel. Yes, Excel and its VBA code. And where to get the VBA code or its syntax? Google it. Start with phrase VBA code to do whatever you want. Google will help you in n number of ways to do it. Just copy and paste, do it step by step and build your own utilities. Hi, my name is Jyoti Prasad and I am not a coding expert and not a software developer either. I still Google for my required programming syntax, even though I have started coding in 2004. I don't remember a single line of command syntax complete. Only thing I remember is I am not going to do things as people doing since long time, spending long hours. I get bored doing repetitive things again and again. So I write a program to leave that task to computers. Same thing I have incorporated in my Excel VBA with OpenSTAAD training module. Simple language, no computer jargons, only civil engineering examples, and the content sufficient to work smart and stand different than others. You can consider that you will get many things in these 15 hours of training modules, what I got in a long 20 years of journey, and still I am learning it. Programming is not about learning a computer language. Remember, programming is not about learning a computer language. It is a practice to develop innovative thinking to work smart. Thank you.